So just be with me. Let me write it down something for you again. And you will say that why I keep on writing same thing again and again. I assume that it's okay. That's I am good. I'm not good. I'm saying that that's a word, and that is input embedding. This will go in, and then I have a sinusoidal sort of embedding that's being shown in this way. Positional encoding, and both of these things got added, and then it's sent to my encoder, in which I am having encoder number 1, then encoder number 2, and so on. Finally, I am going to get how many outputs? 3 outputs we are getting out. That's my encoder, and this is my decoder. That's my encoder. Decoder is having it's going to be decoder 1 exactly. I will show you the difference, but decoder 1 and decoder 2, this is the representation, which is actually the latent representation of my English language. That's my source language, and the words I am good, they will be given to this guy, given to this guy. What's going to happen is that you also have a target output. What is that target output? Your target. So if I just write I am good, let me also show it's actually a supervised learning. I am good. I know that it has to generate what? G V A I S B I E N. It has to generate this. So as I have said, that first it will generate SOS, and then it will generate. So when this SOS, so first that will go in to the embedding, input embedding. Then you also have the positional embedding. Both of these things got added, given to my decoder. Decoder take it, keep on doing, and finally it will create what? It need to create JE as the first word. It has seen I am good. So I goes in, M goes in, good goes in, and they are not going one by one, by the way, and that is the difference. In the case of LSTM or RNN, first I go in, then M go in, then add good go in. Here it's actually a fully connected network. I am good. Sequentially, no, there parallelly goes in, and finally at the ones we have got 3 different representations, all 3 different representations of I am and good. Once you have got these 3 different representations, they are being given to each of these decoders. Why? Because that's the latent representation. Decoder are doing what? Decoder are decoding how I can convert it into the corresponding this and this and this. And in the case of input, in the case of French language, first SOS will go in, got added, passed on, and it will need to generate JE. Then JE will go in, goes, it need to generate VAIS, then VAIS will go in, it need to generate VIEN. I hope that you understand the what? You understand the flow. If you understand the flow, let me draw D1 for you. Sorry, not D1. It's, yeah, that's a D1. Let me draw it. D1. Which one?
So can you please just repeat? My network was like little. Can just repeat this one, the flow thing was.
Flow. Okay. Flow is that I am going at once. It will go. 3 embeddings will be computed. 3 positional embedding will be computed. Both got added, given into my encoder network, and encoder is going to give, pass it on to encoder 1, encoder 2, encoder 3. We all know that self attention, feed forward, add and norm, everything happens. You will get 3 output over here. They will be again fed, again 3 outputs will be here, again fed, again 3 outputs will be here. Finally, you will get these 3 output. They are the latent representation of I am going. Now, these 3 things need to be utilized when you wanted to convert these 3 guys into this Jess West Bean. So these things need to be given to both of the decoders, and other than that, its flow will start from here. First it will see I am good, got these things given to this D1 and D2, and now SOS will go to the input embedding, positional embedding, add at D1, D2, D3, JE will come out, JE will go in, VAS will come out, and VAS will go in, and bind will come out. That's the flow. Yes? Is that okay, madam? No? Yes. Now my network got out. It's done. Okay. Okay. Thank you. So this is my decoder number 1 that I am going to make for you. Our decoder number 1. So what is our first decoder? So it's actually, any decoder is going to be same. This is masked, MHA. Why masked? I will tell you, but right now it is masked MHA. You understand what is there in the MHA? Multi-head attention. First you have a self-attention, then you have multiple heads. The only thing is that it is masked self-attention. The other thing is multi-head attention, and then it is feed forward network. By the way, in each of them, you all understand that add norm means that it's going to have its own this add norm thing. You all understand what is that add norm stuff for you. Okay. Now the point is, there are 1 or 2 things which you feel that they are being there. First is that here and here what is happening? Let me write it. Here cross attention is happening. Here self attention is happening. Self attention like French to French self attention. French to French. Here cross attention is that English to, sorry, it has to be opposite. It has to be French to English attention is being there. So if I give you one French word like JE, if I give you, so I have this French word that I need to generate. And right now I'm generating this. So when I'm generating this, what you are going to generate, by the way, I show you this and you need to generate this. That is the point that we are doing right now. I'm showing you this, you need to generate this. I'm working on this right now. So if you are going to make something this over here, what you can do, you need to figure out that what you have seen so far, only between them you need to compute your self attention. You cannot use each and everything the way you was doing in case of encoder. Why? Can anyone tell why self attention is masked? Which means that attention of any word that you wanted to get, it need only to be with respect to what we have seen so far, not the upcoming words. Why? Self attention is learned in that way. Yes, anyone can ask, say.
So because those words are still needs to be predicted.
Yes, because next thing you are going to predict. So you cannot see this. If you see this, then it's cheating. Next word you are predicting, right? If I show you this, then you need to predict this. If I show you this stuff, you need to predict this. So if you need to predict the next word, you cannot see that. And each and every word which is after this need to be masked. That is why self-attention is happening over here, but a masked self-attention. What does that mean? I am having French words F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5, and I'm computing the same self-attention between F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. This self-attention is actually trying to learn the context in French language. Okay, what you have seen so far. So if I am working for this guy, you can only see up to this. You cannot see this. You cannot see this. And that is why it is masked self-attention. You cannot see anything after this, because right now the point is that when we are training this transformer network, full input sequence and full output sequence is being shown at once in single shot, and that is why it is fast, and that is why it is that recurrence problem and sequential issue is not actually going to come. But that will happen, that if everything is shown to you, you should not be looking these guys. Assume that they are not available when you are working on F3. And that is why attention is actually being masked. So self-attention, once you learn the self-attention or the language relationship which is there, by the way, self-attention and multi-head attention, you understand why you are learning, because you are learning to learn the dependencies within that language. And here in masked, your first thing, your masked multi-head attention, you are learning between French to French. So once you understand some relationship between French, you understand that, okay, if I have predicted or shown Jess, why Wes is going to come? Because I have seen so much of my French language. So with that, you learn this, so which one need to come, and that is you are using as the self-attention and mask self-attention, because you cannot see after this. Now let us come on to the next layer. This layer was absent in the case of our encoder. Even our encoder was not masked. Why? Because our encoder can see whole English sentence in one go. You need not to worry about, because whatever you are going to predict, you are going to predict something in French. So it doesn't matter. You need to see the whole thing in which is being written in English. So that is why there is no masking has been done over there. But masking has to be done in the case of decoder. That is one thing. So self-attention was there in encoder, but masked self-attention is there in decoder. That is one thing. The second thing is that, what is this? The another multi-head attention. This another multi-head attention is the cross attention. Previously you was learning French to French, the context. Now you are learning what is the cross attention that I can learn, which means that query will be coming from the lower layer, but what I'm trying to learn is the relationship between French query and English key, and so on. And values are also coming from here. So it is, let me draw that I'm having a English sentence representation E1, E2, E3, and EK. How you have got output of my encoder. My encoder has given me these things. I have got, after self-attention, masked self-attention, some French word is this. Some French word is this. After self-attention, this is some French word. Now it wanted to know how I am related to this or this or this or this or this. How it can do that? So it can do that using basically learning WQ, learning WK, and learning WV. Okay. Now the point is that French words will be going here and English words will actually be going here. And how you are going to get this French words value? This French word is going to be equal to the query of French word multiplied by key of E1 plus key of E2. Sorry, it's not going to be this thing. Sorry, wait. It's going to be, so this is 1 and this is what? This is this value. Here you will get this weight. Here you will get the query of this and the key of this, the query of this and the key of this, query of query of this and the key of this. And they got multiplied with the V1, V2, V3. And how you are getting these V's? These are actually coming from WV. So if I show you this diagram here, so here in this network, you are having masked multi-head attention, that is normal. And then you are having multi-head attention. This multi-head attention is the cross attention. How you are learning? You are learning 3 matrices: WQ, WK, and WV. But how you are getting your representations, final representations? Final representations are going to be coming from queries coming from decoder, but keys and values coming from encoder. And you understand that what is happening. Individual words that we are going in. Sometime I sent J, sometime I sent Vase. Now when Vase goes in, this multi-mast multi-head will learn how much I have seen so far and what is the relationship of this Vase or this French word with existing so far have seen whatever the French words. What is its relationship? And depending upon that, Vase will be given some output, maybe some Z1, Z2 or whatever. So Z Vase you have got. That Z Vase will go into MHA. Now here this Z Vase is saying that what is the English words embedding, and what it actually trying to learn is that this Z Vase is actually trying to see how much I am close to my English representations, what type of relationships that I have with the existing English word relationships. So what it has to do, it has to take its own query. That's why this will go in my query. And key and values are going to be coming from upper side. Why? Because query is coming from West and it has to check with all English vocab, the sentences that we have seen so far. So it will take key and values of all the representations that we have got from that English word, the best possible representations. Hey, you can ask, I mean, that is the thing. It is, if I say that it's almost, we are almost there. If you understand this cross attention, it is done almost. So if you have a question, then you can ask. Yes. Nobody is asking, or I am lost. Can you listen to me?
Yes, we can.
Yes, you can. Shishir, you can ask.
So one question here.
Yes.
When we are converting, right, from let's say English to French, so this Vice is getting a masked encoding. It's not getting the full it's not seeing the full output, right? So maybe
Yes.
because of the masking, the conversion might be inaccurate. Is that possible?
It has to be inaccurate, right? Because when you are seeing voice, you cannot see bind or anything which is coming after it. It is a priori present to you because it's no more a sequential thing the way in which it is in RNN. We have deliberately masked, because what is your purpose for which you are training? You are training it to predict the next word. Then why you are showing the next word or the upcoming whole sentence? Right? So it has to be inaccurate. It has to learn from whatever it has seen so far. Otherwise, the objective will not be meaningful.
Okay, so yeah.